everyone. Many students are confused how to find the HCF and LCM of three numbers. To find the HCF and LCM of three numbers, I will show you an easy method. Step 1. Reduce the numbers to its prime factors. Step 2. Write in exponential form. And HCF will be the smallest powers of the shared factors and LCM will be the product of highest powers of each factor. This can be explained using an example. Find HCF and LCM of 18, 20 and 30. So the first step is write the numbers into its prime factors. First number is 18. 18 can be factorized as 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. So 18 will be equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Next is 20. 20 can be factorized as 2 10s are 20, 2 into 5 10. Therefore 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Next number is 30. 30 can be factorized as 2 into 15, again 3 into 5 15. Therefore 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5. Now second step is write it in exponential form, that is this is equal to 3 into 3, that is 3 square. Therefore 2 into 3 square. 18 is equal to 2 into 3 square. Here it is 2 into 2, that is 2 square into 5. And 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 3 into 5. Now what is HCF? HCF. HCF can be found by the smallest powers of shared factors. Smallest powers of shared factors. Here see which factors are shared. 2. How many factors are there? There are 3 factors, 2, 3 and 5. And which are the shared factors here? 2 is shared among the 3. Okay, the shared factor, that is a common factor in all these is 2. Now the smallest power of the shared factor. The shared factor is 2 and 2 has power. This power is 1 and power of the 2 here is 2 and here again here the power is 1, which is the smallest power. Smallest power is 1. Okay. So HCF is equal to smallest powers of shared factor, that is 2 raised to 1. So this is equal to HCF is equal to 2 raised to 1, that is equal to 2. Okay. Next is LCM. What is LCM? How we can find the LCM? Highest power of each factors. Highest powers, product of highest powers of each factors. Product of highest powers of each factors. Okay. The first factor is 2. What is the highest power of 2? Here it is 2 raised to 1. This is 2 raised to 2. This is 2 raised to 1. The highest power is 2 square. Therefore, this is 2 square into. Next factor is 3. Here it is 3 square. Here there is no 3. Here there is 3 raised to 1. So, the highest power is 3 square. Next factor is 5. Here there is no 5. Here 5 is the power is 1. Here again the power is 1. Therefore, this is 5 raised to 1. Now this is 2 square is 4, 3 square 9 and 5. And that is equal to, this is equal to 180. So we found the HCF of 3 numbers and the LCM of 3 numbers by a simple method. So thank you.